Hello once again, dude, Smash and welcome to another operating systems tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to call a batch file from the command prompt. So basically, what I've done is that I've gone to my computer, and you need to be very careful when doing this, but I typed in my local disk D, which is where I have my things. There's one called Windows, and depending on the operating system you have. So do this very carefully. In Windows, you should have a folder. Yeah, there you are. Not that folder, really. You should have a folder inside the Windows folder called System32. There it is. Be very careful with this one. But in here, you you don't even touch any of the files that are in here, but try to put in a batch file. Uh, and I'm going to show you where can I find it? See if I can find it. The code for it. I just want to show you real quick. It's called info.bat. There it is. There it is. All right. So here, edit with Notepad++. So when this is opened, I just want you to go ahead and take a quick look at it and copy this code. Just copy all of this code and save it as info.bat and put it into system32 and close down. So now what this basically is that using the command prompt, we can call, if we change our direction real quick, we can call batch files. So just let me zoom into my command prompt basically, and let me show you how it works. Alright, so now that we're inside our command prompt, I want to clear so we don't see all the things up here. And remember, we just changed it out to our direct hard drive. So what I want to do now is to call this batch file. And if it's not saved in System32, you can't call it. But try to type in call info.bat. And you can see now it comes up. Name George, profession minor, age 28, married, no, children Kyle, right? We all did this by calling basically info.bat. You can also just type in info.bat and we'll call it. So using this, you can basically make your own commands. Pretty cool, huh? But remember, they must be saved in System32. But if you don't entirely know what you're doing, you're not entirely sure what you're doing, then don't try to do it. Because it can be a bit risky. Now, whenever you're coding the file here that I've made, remember to, in your Notepad++, when you've typed this in, and yours will probably just be all black right now, go ahead and save it, save as info.bat inside here. And remember, it's important to add that .bat. That means it's a batch file, which is what this command prompt understands. But I will be explaining to you what all this code means later. But actually, the only thing you don't understand here is the command called pause null. So let me explain this to you. Pause null basically means whenever we press anything, then it will just, make a new prompt. So, basically, using pause null, we can just like press any key to continue. But if we just use the pause, then it would just say it, but pause null will not come up with anything basically. So basically, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.